Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money effortlessly, while others struggle their entire lives just to stay afloat? I'll tell you right now, it's not luck. It's not magic. It's knowledge, the kind of knowledge that schools never teach you. And today, I'm giving it to you for free. Because financial education isn't just about getting rich. It's about freedom, confidence, and taking control of your own life. So what is financial education? It's simply the skill of making smart decisions with your money. It's the key that unlocks every door between where you are today and where you truly want to be. But here's the truth. Most people don't even realize they need it. They live paycheck to paycheck, blaming their circumstances, the system, or just bad luck. In reality, all they're missing is the right education. Let's talk about financial freedom. That's the point where you no longer depend on anyone for money. Not your boss, not your job, not even your family. But there's something even more powerful than financial freedom. It's called financial confidence. See, freedom depends on how much money you have in the bank. Confidence, on the other hand, depends on your ability to make money whenever you want. That's what truly sets you free. Most people think there's a shortage of money in the world. They believe the rich took it all, and there's none left for them. But that's a lie. The truth is, the world is overflowing with money, but only those who know the rules of the game can get it. Money is a game, and if you learn the rules, you can win. Today, I'm going to show you how to play. I'm going to share the 4 most important rules of money. This is the foundation of financial literacy, financial confidence, and ultimately, financial freedom. These are the rules that will take you from just surviving to truly thriving. And the best part? Everything I'm sharing is free. No books to buy, no paid courses, no fake promises. Just pure, actionable knowledge. So if you want to support this mission of spreading financial literacy, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe right now. It helps more than you know. So let's talk about why most people never get financially educated, even though all the information they could ever need is available online, for free. There are 2 big reasons. The first is conventional wisdom. Society has been teaching you to think small about money your whole life. You've heard phrases like money doesn't grow on trees or money is the root of all evil. Those words were programmed into your mind when you were young. And now, every time you think about making more money, you feel a little bit of fear, guilt, or doubt. But money is not evil, it's a tool. And like any tool in the right hands, it can build freedom. Most people also fear debt because they don't understand it. They think all debt is bad. But the truth is, debt is neutral, it's a weapon. In untrained hands, it destroys. But in skilled hands, it builds empires. Stop taking financial advice from broke people. You wouldn't take swimming lessons from someone who's never been in the water, right? So why listen to people who haven't mastered the game of money? Learn from those who have. The second reason people remain financially ignorant is a mix of comfort and low self-esteem. Deep down, they don't believe they deserve wealth. They fear failure. They're too afraid to step out of their comfort zone. But here's the hard truth. Success is not found in comfort. It's found in discomfort. You cannot grow if you're standing still. You must believe that you deserve more because you do. Confidence is the foundation of wealth. You have to see yourself as a wealthy person long before the world sees you that way. Your mind creates your reality. You can't act like a broke person and expect rich results. When you build that unshakable confidence, you gain the courage to take calculated risks, to start businesses, to invest, and to grow. Without it, you'll stay stuck exactly where you are. Now let's get into the 4 rules of financial education. These are the pillars. Rule number 1. Don't invest in what you don't understand. Investing is how you make your money work for you. But if you don't know what you're doing, it's just a fast way to lose it all. The single most powerful investment you will ever make is in yourself. Read, learn, and constantly improve your skills. Invest in your business, your knowledge, and your personal growth. Before you even think about buying stocks, real estate, or crypto, study them. Understand exactly how they work. Never follow hype or trends blindly. And remember this, if someone promises you easy, guaranteed money, they're lying. Never, ever invest in something you don't fully understand. Rule number 2. Debt is a powerful but deadly weapon. You need to know the difference between good debt and bad debt. Bad debt destroys you. This is your high-interest credit card debt, car loans for fancy cars you can't afford, or personal loans for vacations. They take money out of your pocket. Good debt, however, builds you. This is debt used to start a business, buy an income-producing asset like a rental property, or invest in your education to increase your earning potential. Learn to use debt as a tool, not as a trap. Rule number 3, think rich. Thinking rich isn't about pretending to be a millionaire. It's about acting with purpose and confidence. Stop wasting your life trying to save pennies. You will never become a millionaire by skipping your morning coffee. Instead of pinching every last dollar, focus on learning new skills that make you more valuable in the marketplace. Your goal should be to expand your income, not just obsess over your savings. Think bigger. Act bolder. And finally, rule number 4, develop skills that acquire assets. Let's keep it simple. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out of it. Your brain is your biggest asset, so develop it. Learn high-income skills that the market values, skills that can make you money anytime, anywhere. Once you have those skills, use the income you generate to buy real assets, real estate, stocks, or businesses. Build a foundation of wealth that works for you even while you sleep. Financial education is the ultimate life skill. Without it, you'll always be dependent on someone else. With it, you can create, multiply, and sustain your own wealth. The world doesn't reward hard work alone. It rewards smart work, knowledge, and courage. So ask yourself right now, do you want to stay in the same place you are today, or are you ready to take control of your financial future? Because the moment you start learning about money is the moment you stop being controlled by it. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this message, and be sure to subscribe for more life-changing lessons. Remember, you are just one decision away from a completely different life. Choose wisely. Thanks for watching.